Now, this is the prelim from last year, okay, so it's pretty much always in the same format. So the first question is just asking you to convert 101 into an 8-digit binary number, okay, or 1 byte. Right, so remember what you do here is you need to remember, we start with units, and since it's binary it goes up in 2s, so 2, 4, 8, 16, all the way up to 128, because there's going to be 8 numbers. And think of it as you're having to go shopping and find numbers that add up to 101, and you can only use the number once. Okay, so what you have to think of, and again you can use your calculator, use the side for some working, but you want to think of individual numbers that when you add them together you get yourself 101. So what we've got is obviously 128. We don't need one of these to get to 101 because that's too big, but we can use a 64, and what's left over is you then find what else can fit into what's left over. Here's a wee tip: if it's an odd number, we're always going to have a 1 at the end there, because if you think about it, the rest of it's all even numbers, so if you add an odd number to an even number, it's going to be an odd number. And the last thing I would suggest is you then add these values up and it should come back to 101. Okay, so just think about going in shopping saying, I'll have one of them, one of them, one of them, one of them, and then when you go to the checkout, it tallies up to 101. Right, next question is basically a data structure, data type. So data structure is either a variable or an array. So a variable can only hold one value, and an array can hold as many values as you want, really. Okay, and the data type is what type of value is it. Okay, so we're holding a list of names, so we're going to have an array, and names is going to be string. Next question is state 2 methods of improving the readability of code. And we've got about 4 different methods here. Okay, so any 2 of these. So you could have indentation, which we've even got there. There's indentation, makes it more readable. We've got white space, which you have here as well. Okay, so there's white space in internal commentary. So that's you putting comments on the code for you to be able to understand what that bit of code did maybe at a later date, and have good variable names. So if it's going to hold somebody's age, make the variable name age. Okay. Now, your next question is state which bus is used to select individual memory locations. So each memory location is individual, and to access it and to find that memory location, just like if you want to find a house or find a shop, you need to know its address. And question 5 is Jean is using her mobile phone. She wants to find about train times. What piece of software would you use? So if you want to find train times, you use a web browser. Don't mention things like Google Chrome or Firefox. You want to actually use the term of the type of software. So that was questions 1 to 5.